My name's Thomas Geiger. I'm the owner of Machining and Repair Services. We've been in business for 23 years. Started off with 5 or 6 guys.
Yeah.
Now we're up to 30 guys. I mean, we have a lot of high-end quality customers. We don't build Hondas, we build Cadillacs, they say. So
Yep.
the quality is huge. So I think we have 5 Campros altogether. And these are affordable machines too, so that helps. You know, some equipment out there just isn't affordable. So it's been a good relationship with us.
You got Toyotas here, you got Femcos. How does the Campros do compared to everything else?
Right up with them.
Yeah.
No less of a machine.
Yeah.
You know, they're good running, reliable, accurate. Yeah.
Have you had any major issues with them?
No, nope, not at all.
Anything? It's got to be something,
The
right?
only one time that we thought something happened, we thought we had a spindle that was going bad. And it was, I think, the first original bridge mill. So what Campro did is, without any hesitation, is they shipped us a brand new spindle. We went through all the inspections and everything. We found out there wasn't even anything wrong with it.
Oh.
Maybe there was a parameter that we adjusted or something for a circle interpolating. So then I thought to myself, well, geez, I got this spindle sitting here. Maybe it's a good idea that I just have one because we have so many Campros. So Campro turned around and gave us a really reasonable price just to stock it here, and we kept it. But honestly, maybe a sensor here and there, but those are normal things.
Okay.
You know, chips get melted or wires get melted from hot chips and coolant. But it's so minimal. It's really nothing.
Yeah.
So
similar to any other legit machine.
I'd say even better, yeah.
Better? Yeah. Sure.
But most of the time we're running pretty big parts. There's the one on the floor over there that I think was ran over here.
So what type of work, is there a certain industry that you mostly serve?
It's paper companies, plastic bags. We even do work for aluminum printing, drying systems, paper printing, drying, you know.
Right.
Just a lot of different fields.
It's job shop work though, right?
Yep, all job shops. But yeah, a lot of like a side frame like this. I mean, there'll be one or usually 2 per machine, and they're all custom built parts. So this is like a 20 by 40. This is the one that's a 30 by 50, or 20 something by 50, 25 by 50.
Yeah, I think, yep.
I don't know if he's got a part running in there now.
How long have you had this 1300 here?
About 2 years, 2.5 years. And at the time we bought that one, probably about 2.5 years ago. And then we bought these other 2 about 2 years ago.
You got the 1050s at the same time?
Yep. These 2 are similar, or identical actually.
Yeah.
And then this one's a little bit bigger.
So these ones have the 31 inches of Z travel.
Yeah.
Does that come in handy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when we got that, our programmer, he came running in, he's like, did you know how much travel those have in Z? And I'm like, I think standard, right? 20 something. And he's like, no, it's 30, like you said, 31 inches. I mean, we always have to tip stuff up, even, you know, smaller angle plates, end holes. And there's never enough room to even do a tool change anymore. I mean, these have a lot of Z length. That's huge.
Yeah.
So
yeah, that's a pretty awesome
we do like that
feature of these ones.
So here's a couple of longer parts too that we do on the Campro machine. Got in there.
How long have you had this Campro?
This one's probably already 5 years old. So 5 to 6 years old. This was the first one that we bought. I'd have to ask Jeff exactly how long ago it was. But